If you're like me and you do your firmware and your FlySafe database updates inside before you go outside to try to keep your optimal battery when you go and fly, you're going to want to watch this, because if you're a Mavic 3 series owner, Mavic 3, Mavic 3 Pro and the Mavic 3 Classic, then I have got something to show you, because this notification sometimes doesn't go away and it's very annoying, but I got a fix. Hi everyone, Stephen from the Flyby guys. It's good to see you again, and we're talking about this notification that doesn't ever want to go away. Now, I do my updates inside, like stuff here in the office, for example. In the Flyby guys office, I do my updates. I make sure that I've got the firmware and also the FlySafe database updated as well. But I've noticed that with the Mavic 3 series, that when I do all the updates, I still get this notification, and it's quite annoying because it doesn't go away and it keeps, it keeps popping up when I'm flying. So I actually worked out what to do. What you have to do is you have to take your drone outside and you have to have full satellites. Make sure that you have a connection to your phone, or if you have, for example, if you have Wi-Fi outside, then that's okay, but make sure you hotspot from your RC to your phone, and then you do the update to the FlySafe database. Once you do that, this notification will go away. And it took me some time to work out, but I've been flying like this for a few weeks now and it's been annoying me intensely. But it's just my own efficiency has turned out to be inefficient in a sense. So when you're doing your updates for the Mavic 3 series, especially the FlySafe data, do it outside. Make sure you have got full satellites, make sure you have your hotspot to your phone, and it will go away. And you'll feel a lot better, a bit like me. So anyway, I hope this was helpful if you are flying the Mavic 3 series, because it's a great drone and you have to keep your attention and not get notifications that you don't need. And this is one. Now, why is this happening? I don't know. Is it got something to do with remote ID? It might be. I actually can't find anything. Anyway, hope this was helpful. Let's get this out there so everyone knows about it. Like, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next video. Fly safe.